I'm Keith Ruff, and today is going to be a diecast review on Kurt Busch's 2016 HAAS CNC Chevy. I'm going to be doing this review because Kurt Busch just won the Daytona 500. Really cool to see him win it. So, just a review I haven't done. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm pretty sick, guys. It's the reason I haven't had any videos up lately. I've just not been feeling well. Alright, so on the window you have Chevy, Kurt Busch, HAAS, 41 Chevrolet logo, Chevrolet SS, Storehouse Racing, Goodyear, Kurt Busch, HAAS. Let's see, what does it say? Let's see what this is. I don't know what that thing says. It says there's Rush or State batteries or something. Rush Truck Center's under that. Number 1 or something. Number 1. Then we have HAAS CNC, HAAS, Exalta, Freightliner. So, I don't know what the modes were. Wish it would focus. Mac Tools, HAAS Factory Sun Outlet, American Ethanol. In the back you got HAAS CNC, America's Machine Tool, Chevy 41, HAAS CNC, America's Machine Tool, HAAS CNC, and on top you have 41. This side's the same. So let's go ahead and go over the paint scheme. Pretty cool looking, I say. It's alright. I give it a 5 though, out of 10. The splitter's white, spoiler's black, whole back of the car is black. Just the front's red and transitions to a black. And it looks alright. I have Kurt Busch's 2014 Martinsville win in the background. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for even more.